Imagine walking through a dense jungle, completely unaware that hidden among the leaves, branches, and even the air around you are creatures watching, waiting perfectly invisible to your eyes. Some animals have mastered the art of disappearing, not through magic, but through millions of years of evolution. Their survival depends on being unseen, whether to avoid becoming dinner or to ambush their next meal unnoticed. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of animal invisibility, exploring how nature has crafted living ghosts that blend seamlessly into their surroundings. One of the most famous masters of disguise is the chameleon. These remarkable lizards don't just change color for fun, they do it to communicate, regulate their body temperature, and, most importantly, vanish from sight. Special cells in their skin called chromatophores contain pigments that expand or contract, allowing them to shift between greens, browns, and even bright blues in seconds. But chameleons aren't the only ones with this ability. Cuttlefish, close relatives of octopuses, take camouflage to a whole new level. They don't just match colors, they mimic textures. Their skin can sprout tiny bumps or smooth out to imitate rocks, coral, or even sand. And they do it all in the blink of an eye, making them some of the ocean's most elusive predators. Then there are the true masters of transparency, creatures that seem to vanish into thin air. Take the glass frog, for example, found in the rainforests of Central and South America. This tiny amphibian has skin so clear you can see its beating heart, digestive system, and even its bones. Why? Because when it sits still on a leaf, predators looking up from below see right through it, making the frog nearly invisible against the sunlight filtering through the trees. Similarly, deep-sea creatures like the glass squid have evolved see-through bodies to disappear in the open ocean, where there is nowhere to hide. In a world where predators rely on silhouettes to spot their prey, being transparent is the ultimate survival trick. But invisibility isn't just about being see-through. Some animals manipulate light itself to disappear. The silvery scales of fish like sardines and herring act like mirrors, reflecting the surrounding water so perfectly that predators struggle to spot them. This is called mirror camouflage, and it's so effective that even in broad daylight, these fish can become nearly invisible when viewed from the side. Even butterflies use this trick. The glasswing butterfly has wings so transparent that it seems to float like a ghost through the rainforest, nearly undetectable to both predators and prey. Then there are the ultimate illusionists, animals that don't just hide themselves, but create decoys to fool their enemies. To mimic octopus, for example, can shapeshift into at least 15 different creatures, from venomous lionfish to deadly sea snakes. By pretending to be something far more dangerous, it scares off predators without lifting a tentacle. Meanwhile, the leafy sea dragon looks exactly like a drifting piece of seaweed, swaying gently with the current while staying perfectly still to avoid detection. These animals don't just blend in, they become something else entirely, tricking the eyes of even the most observant hunters. Some creatures take invisibility to such extremes that they seem like something out of science fiction. The Amazonian katydid, for instance, looks exactly like a dead leaf, complete with fake bite marks, veins, and even patches of decay. It doesn't just sit still and hope for the best, it sways slightly in the breeze like a real leaf, making it nearly impossible for predators to spot. Underwater, the stonefish becomes one with the ocean floor, its lumpy, algae-covered body indistinguishable from the rocks around it. It's so well hidden that unsuspecting swimmers sometimes step on it, only to discover too late that it's one of the most venomous fish in the world. But how does evolution create such perfect invisibility? It all comes down to survival of the fittest. Over thousands of generations, animals with even slightly better camouflage lived longer, reproduced more, and passed on their sneaky traits. Those that stood out, they didn't last long. This slow, relentless process has given us creatures that push the boundaries of what we thought was possible: ghosts of the forest, phantoms of the ocean, and masters of disguise that challenge our very perception of reality. Even more fascinating is how some animals combine multiple forms of camouflage. The owl butterfly, for example, has wings that look like the eyes of a much larger predator, scaring off birds that might otherwise eat it. But when it closes its wings, it disappears against the bark of a tree, blending in with its muted brown patterns. The Arctic fox changes its fur from brown in the summer to pure white in the winter, making it nearly invisible against the snow. These animals don't rely on just one trick, they adapt their camouflage to their environment, ensuring they stay hidden no matter the season or situation. So the next time you're outside, take a closer look. That leaf might be an insect, that twig a spider, and that patch of sand a lurking predator. The natural world is full of secrets, and some of its most astonishing tricks happen right before our eyes if only we could see them. From transparent frogs to shape-shifting octopuses, evolution has crafted some of the most ingenious survival strategies imaginable. And as scientists continue to study these creatures, who knows what other invisible wonders we might discover? What's the most incredible camouflage you've ever seen? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing nature mysteries.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.